Let's see how to make quick and tasty trifle. I'm showing you the simplest version here. You can use any fruits and nuts you like. I've used kiwi, banana and orange. You could make this in a cup, bowl or a glass. Firstly, layer some chopped kiwi. Beat the cream for few seconds and lay a generous amount of this cream. I've used plain dairy cream. Then some chopped banana. Sprinkle some chopped cashews and almonds. Sprinkle some raisins or kishmish. Finally, layer chopped orange. And your dessert is ready to eat. You could also refrigerate it and enjoy it cold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe for more such videos.